Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the parking light for your Toyota RAV4 2004 and onwards. So here we're just going to open up the back of the car. Now you can replace it on the right hand side, the left hand side. In this video we will try to replace the light on the left hand side. So at the top here there are two clips. Just pull them down and then you can lift it up to take it out. Then here there is a cover, again another cover inside this compartment we need to take out. So pull it out and this will open up the space, and you can see inside there are servo lights parts here. This is the reverse light, and at the top here is your parking light. So you want to take the one out right there. So we just need to twist and turn. So twist it anti-clockwise, you can see right there. Just twist it anti-clockwise and it will come out. And then kind of like jiggle it out. So pull out, once you twist it anti-clockwise, then pull out the light, and that's it right there. So look for sign of damage. So if it's not working, it's probably already broken. You need to replace it with a new light. So you can just pull out like so. Be best if you've got two hands pulling this one out. So here just pull out the light like so. Just kind of wiggle and then pull it out. And so that's the light right there. And now with the new one, with the new light, you can put it in. Again, just wiggle it into place. And from here, we can push it back in. It's really hard because it's really a small space that you have to work with. So that's the part right there, and then push it in, and then we're just gonna twist it back so that it's locked into place. You can see once it is locked into place, this one is really sturdy. You cannot move it, and that's it. That's how you can replace your parking light for your Toyota RAV4 2003 or 2004 onwards. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.